So welcome back, guys. Now, those of you that are yet to subscribe, you've not subscribed, please make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share. So let's take a look at New Zealand dollar to our JPY, right? So now let's start with this movement. If you have to watch this movement, right, what can you see on your New Zealand dollar to JPY? You can see that this market is giving us a ranging market move. Now we see that market give us three movements. It's either it's giving us an uptrend move, a downtrend move, or a range market move, right? So when you zoom it out, at first we were having this uptrend move. You can clearly see an higher highs and higher lows. This movement started since 2020. Can you see its uptrend move, right? Now price has now gotten to a level where it is kind of like ranging. We can see this level that I've highlighted. Once price is getting coming to this level, which we will take this top as a resistance level, and this level below we consider as a support level. We saw price once drop to the support level and a rejection was made that it went up straight to the resistance, then again to the support level, a rejection was made that went up to the resistance. Now price is back to this support level, so we would all be expecting a further bullish move, by the way. So yesterday we actually opened and closed bearish, no doubt about that, right? Yesterday, which was on the third, which was 3, we open and close bearish. But if you take a look at it, you see that a huge candlestick wick is taken at the bottom, means a huge rejection is happening, right? Kind of like expect a bullish move. So today, right, which is for the fourth, you can kind of see we will be expecting like a bullish move. So this is what I want you guys to expect. Maybe throughout this week, next week also, we should expect like a bullish move on New Zealand JPY. Basically, when you see the foot trend on New Zealand dollar itself, it's kind of like a bullish move, no doubt about that. When you also take a look at this, your JPY index, right, so you see that price is at a level where prices would react to. We saw a reaction at this level. Once price came to this same level again, we had a reaction. Now I think price kind of like a little bit broke out of it, and now we expect price to react by giving us a pullback, which means more drop is to come. So as this drop will be coming on this JPY, then expect a bullish move on New Zealand dollar to JPY. Let's see what this forward time frame actually saying also. So clearly we can see that this forward time frame, let it continue to push up. Currently we're actually at 81. Let's see if today we will be able to hit a level of 83. But first, we need to get to a level of 82. So watch out for a level of 82 first before you aim for a level of 83 on New Zealand dollar JPY for today.